We'll start a series of videos that will cover the subject, les préfixes et les verbes. And in this video, we will see actually the verb dire. You get the translation here in English. So dire, okay? And then we'll see that it's possible to add some prefixes. So it's possible to add some letters before this dire, and then by adding these letters, we will modify the meaning of dire. Okay, so let's see. And the first thing that we've got here is contre and then dire. Okay, contredire, contredire, and you can see that of course the meaning is changing. Contredire, okay, then interdire, interdire, prédire, prédire, redire, redire.